Sheikh Asim, we have Taylor. How does a woman know when to stop praying when she has not delivered yet? So she's about to deliver, and obviously she sees some spots of blood. Does she stop praying then, or she has to wait until the actual delivery is in place?
The scholars say that before delivery, a woman must not stop praying even if she has contractions, even if she breaks her water, she still prays. When she is in labor or when the flow of blood is coming out, this is when she stops. But a drop or two, a spot or two, colored discharges, all of these do not prevent her from praying. Breaking her water, which it means that, okay, it's like maybe 10 minutes from now and maybe 10 hours from now. It depends on how the labor is going on. They say, scholars, she still prays until she sees the actual flow of blood or the actual delivery is on the way.